Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming jurisdiction and the legal basis for cancellation. Obtain the FIR number and a full copy. That matters because processes differ by state and portal. Next, gather ID and documentary proof that rebuts the complaint, photos, receipts, messages, so you can show why the FIR is incorrect. Finally, check whether the police portal or EFIR system allows withdrawal requests. Once you know the path, you avoid wasted steps and prepare evidence before you proceed. Now make a formal withdrawal request. You log into the official EFIR portal and select the appropriate action, withdraw, rectify, or submit additional statements, because that creates an electronic trail. Upload your ID, the FIR copy, and concise evidence that supports withdrawal, and draft a clear signed statement explaining why the complaint is wrong. If no online option exists, prepare a signed physical application and deliver it to the station. Keep delivery proof and a time-stamped receipt for follow-up. Finish by following up until the FIR is closed or corrected. Make sure you receive written acknowledgement, a diary entry number, or an online acknowledgement ID that confirms action. If the station refuses, escalate, file a representation with the superintendent, or approach a magistrate with your evidence, because higher authorities can order cancellation or investigation. If you hit resistance, consult a lawyer promptly. Their involvement speeds formal petitions and protects your rights when records must be.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.